4 days ago, here on the CryptoFace channel, we were actually like about over here somewhere, marked that on May 8th, the 8th day of May, something was going to happen which would bring the price down. Now, if we fast forward to today, we see that we are currently on the 4-hour. Oh, well, what do you know? These yellow brackets are the danger zone, we'll call it. What I consider a caution zone. And I'll explain why in a moment. But first, let me relinquish myself. Let's zoom into the hour. Okay, boom. So we were right on point with the hour. Okay, all right. What about the 30-minute? Boom. Right on point within 30 minutes. Let's go to the 15. Oh, looks like we made. Oh, gee. Oh, okay. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Within 25 minutes, 4 days ago, your boy. Now, just because I was correct on this prediction, what about our trades? Don't you worry. Oh, we shorted 58.86, 58.50. This has been one of the most I don't know what else to tell you, folks. I mean, I can only come on here so many times and say, hey, we were right, everyone's killing it, we're murdering the game, yada, yada, yada. Now, specifically what I said was on May 8th, something was going to bring us down, but this 5,600 support could hold us from going below. So I don't know if it was going to break down a lot or just break down to 5,600. Currently, it's looking like, we went down to 5,650. But something is in the air, isn't it? That's what everyone else thinks. Everyone's talking about Binance hack and Tether FUD and this, that, and the other, and how it's going to correlate to the market. None of that stuff matters because we have proven it's like a Fibonacci cycle of life. It's just May 8th was the day. Something was going to give. Something was going to happen. And there was going to be a correction, big or small. And we saw it coming. So we just had, 4 days. We had killer 4 or 5 days of trading. Basically, we took it easy today. We did enter the short. This was our only trade of the day. And we're seeing how this is going to play out. We're seeing how the next 24 hours is going to play out. If we continue to just chill and get through this day, well, folks, then this upward movement might not be over. Or will we have reached the top of the party? Is the dance over and it's time to hit the dance floor? Either way, we will be prepared. We are the most profitable trade group, not only in crypto, arguably the whole damn world, in anything. Just get the profit logs, you all can see, you all have access to. Just read some of the things people say. Let's say, read the chat, right? Okay, here we go. Here's one guy, Too Far Gone. First week since joining the whale crew, and I haven't had a losing trade. CF has been calling the calls, and it hasn't failed. Can't wait to keep growing my trade account. Can't wait to keep growing it with you. Looking at the discussion, you guys won't be able to see this, but CF is the man. Just wait on whatever he says. Duh, man. Boom. I mean, you know, whatever. I'm not trying to toot my own horn too much, but here's my point. There is much more room to have many more of you following and knowing what I am doing. Our group, this is why I started this group, is when I have a zone target window like this, and everyone else is kind of running scared. They don't know what to do, but I do. And we can be aggressive and high confident. We have a high confident window right here, and this means we can be aggressive and really make life-changing moves. People have been able to buy cars, buy houses, pay off credit card debt, move countries, flee oppressive countries. These are all things that people tell me every single day they're in our group. So call me a shill, but I'm paying the bills and then some. While these other YouTubers are talking about TA and whatnot, and they don't even step in the game, I'm the general that's in the battlefield. I've been showing you guys my positions, showing you guys my entries, my exits, showing you my thoughts, telling you about my private life. What more can you ask for? Now, let's not forget the Bybit trade competition. Registrations end in 8 days. Currently, there are 530 people that are registered. It looks like we can hit this 1,000 mark. Top prize, number one, gets 15 grand. You know I'm going to be gunning for that spot. And I would love to have one of my trade group members or one of my subscribers, if not me, take first place. Hell, I want the trifecta. I want the superfecta. So, yeah, today was the day that we were going to approach with caution. I was chilling, handled a bunch of errands today. Hopefully you guys did too. We are now in the caution zone. We'll see what happens next. If you were a Whale Crew member, you shorted right here. Right in here, 58.50 to 58.86. And then many exited at the bottom wick at 56.50. I wasn't able to get out at that bottom. I got out at 5,700, some of my position, and then I added more to my position basically just now. So I'm holding this short a little bit, but we'll see. We'll see. So unless you are in my group, you do not know what I'm going to be doing at the turn of a dime. So I'm going to extend the $50 off the lifetime membership special. The $100 bonus thing is no more. That's gone. But I tell you what, not only will I reduce the cost by $50, I will include the custom Chong indicator, yours truly. Look, if you followed the Chong, remember when we were live, I said, boop. This was yesterday when we were live streaming. I was like, boom. It said to short. It's coming. Well, guess what? If you shorted 59.17, 5,900, I'm not even saying if you got it up 58.70, 59.70. If you shorted right here, boom, you'd be in the money. If you shorted right here, 58.40, boom, you'd be in the money. So join me. You'll be glad you did. I'm glad to have you. And while other people are watching Game of Thrones and, you know, that's their life. They work all day. They go home. They eat. They go to sleep. Working for someone else. And if you're working for someone else, that's okay too. I'm not hating on you, but allow me to fill in the gaps, to inch your way into having more freedom, having more fun. You want to know what's fun? Not having a traded token like ShitterTex, but actually making gains. Having 10 trades in a row go back-to-back blowout winners. Knowing what's going to happen next before it happens. Whether it's days in advance, minutes in advance. That is what's fun. So scroll down for details. And let's get it on, folks. We're having a blast. We are having a blast.